Source code versus machine code. Explained in simple words. What does source code mean? Source code is the human-readable set of instructions written by a programmer using a programming language. It is what you write to tell the computer what to do. In simple words, source code equals instructions written by humans in a programming language. What does machine code mean? Machine code is the binary code, zeros and ones, that a computer's processor can directly understand and execute. It is generated by compiling or interpreting the source code. In simple words, machine code equals instructions that the computer actually runs. How source code and machine code are related. Programmer writes source code in a language like C, Java, or Python. The source code is converted into machine code using a compiler or interpreter. The computer executes the machine code to perform tasks. So, source code means compiler, interpreter means machine code means computer executes. Example idea. Imagine you write this in C. Printf. Hello world. Quote, this is source code, readable by humans. After compiling, it turns into machine code. A series of zeros and ones like 101 quintillion 10 quadrillion 101 trillion 10 billion 1 million 11,010. The processor executes this to display "Hello World" on the screen. Key differences between source code and machine code. Feature source code machine code. Readability human readable binary, only computer readable. Language high-level programming language low-level binary instructions. Created by programmer compiler or interpreter. Purpose to write programs to execute programs on CPU. Modification easy to modify very difficult to modify. Why this matters. Source code is easy to understand and maintain. Machine code is fast and directly executed by computers. Understanding the difference is important for programming, debugging, and software development. Real-life uses. Writing apps, websites, and software means source code. Running apps on a computer or phone means machine code. Compilers, interpreters, and assemblers bridge the gap. Advantages of source code. Checkmark easy to write and read. Checkmark portable across systems. With a compiler, interpreter. Checkmark easy to debug and maintain. Advantages of machine code. Checkmark very fast execution. Checkmark directly understood by the CPU. Checkmark efficient and optimized for hardware. Common beginner misconceptions. Beginners often think source code is what the computer runs directly means crossmark false. Machine code is written by programmers means crossmark false. Actually, programmers write source code, which is then translated into machine code for execution. Real-life analogy. Source code is like a recipe written in English memo. Ingredients and steps are easy for humans to read. Machine code is like instructions in a language only the oven understands fire. The oven can cook the food directly, but humans cannot read it. Important point. Source code and machine code are two forms of the same program. Source code equals human-friendly. Machine code equals computer-friendly. Both are essential for software development. Simple definition. Source code equals human-readable program instructions. Machine code equals binary instructions the computer executes. Final summary. Source code versus machine code. Checkmark source code. Written by humans. Readable. Maintainable. Checkmark machine code. Executed by computers. Fast. Binary. Without source code. Crossmark programmers cannot create programs easily. Without machine code, crossmark computers cannot execute programs. Together, checkmark source code plus compiler interpreter means machine code equals software running efficiently. Understanding the difference is fundamental for programming and software development.